Hello students and friends, welcome to my YouTube channels. Today I am going to discuss the rectilinear problem, but against the gravity and towards gravity, how this will function. So before the video we discussed the rectilinear motion. Now what we have studied in the rectilinear motion, we got the three formula. What is V is equal to U plus AT, S equal to UT plus half a t square, and v square is equal to u square plus 2as. This is called rectilinear motions when body move from the straight line directions. Body move from the straight line direction. Now, two problems I taken. Before this solving this problem, I will explain the concept. Towards the gravity, towards the gravity, that means body, that means what is particles move or towards the gravity, body moves towards the gravity and against the gravity, what is the difference here? V is equal to, here what will be there, A will become G, because this body will go towards the gravity, against the gravity. That means accelerations will be here G. A is acceleration both places. This also acceleration, but G is acceleration due to gravity. And S will becomes H. S is distance travel from one point to another point. Here also, if body moving upward, distance travel. This is called height. Here S. So S becomes H, A becomes G. Now towards the gravity means normally they're just dropping. That means normal condition. So G will be plus here. Here G will be plus. If you will go against the gravity, here G will be minus. This you have to remember. So now what formula will become? V is equal to U plus GT. Then H is equal to UT plus half GT square, and V square is equal to U square plus 2GH. This is the difference between body moves towards the gravity. Now body moves against the gravity. So what will be the formula? V is equal to U minus GT, H is equal to UT minus half GT square, and V square is equal to U square minus 2GH. So where already I told here V final velocity, U initial velocity, G acceleration due to gravity, T time, H height, U is initial velocity, so over. So this is the difference. Rectilinear motion and body either move upward or body move downward. This towards the gravity means body moves downward. Here body moves upward. So upward once going, that means against the gravity going. So accelerations will be negative. Now, some formula will come when particles reached maximum height. Okay, maximum. When particles reach maximum height, suppose this is the earth surface. We are throwing the one ball. Reach the maximum height. When this height will be maximum. When final velocity will be 0. Once you are throwing something, particles, velocity gradually decreasing and finally velocity will get 0. Once velocity will get 0, this height will be maximum. So velocity will be 0, height will be maximum when? So substitute here V square equal to U square minus 2GH. If V will be 0, U square minus 2GH becomes H maximum. Then what is H maximum here? U square by 2G. This is the formula, H maximum. So particles reach maximum height when? U square by 2G. When final velocity will be 0. So once particle you are throwing from the earth surface, gradually velocity decreasing and final velocity will be 0. So we will get the maximum height. If they'll ask what is the striking velocity of a particle or what is the initial velocity of the particles uh, when what is the initial velocity? Now what will be here? U square is equal to 2g h maximum. If they will ask what is the initial velocity when particles reach the maximum height, this is the u. So u taken na u square it kade. So u is equal to 2gh. So like this we can remember the formula. Now time taken to reach the maximum height. Time taken to reach the maximum height now suppose v is equal to u minus gt because taken the maximum height. So minus gt, this is formula. So what will be there? So final velocity again here will be 0 because time taken to reach the maximum height. What is the time took? So final velocity 0. So u minus gt. So t is equal to u by g. So time taken to reach the maximum height is equal to u by g. This is formula is coming. If again to reach how much time to took from reach the earth surface, again t is equal to u by g will come. Time taken to reach maximum height u by g, again time to reach the particles to the ground surface, earth surface, again u by g. Then what is total time taken? Total time taken, what is? Both you add u by g from earth surface to tower, from tower to earth surface, both add. So u by g plus u by g. So 2u by g. Total time taken from the particles is 2u by g. So these are the basic concepts. If you know, we can solve the given question. So now you will going to solve one by one. This is the basic concept required here. Okay. Now I will solve this question. What is given first question? A stone is dropped from a top of the tower. So this is the tower, okay? A stone is dropped from the top of the tower to the earth surface. It strikes the ground after 4 seconds. Time how much taking? 4 seconds. So what will be the here velocity? If velocity will be see here, initial velocity will be 0 and this velocity will be maximum. Final velocity will become maximum because once you're dropping this, velocity gradually increasing and final velocity becomes maximum. So what they're asking? Time taking 4 seconds. What is the height of the? So what will be the formula we'll use here? V equal to u plus at. See here, V is equal to u because coming down, so u plus gt. So what is the height they're asking now? So this will take here v square is equal to h is equal to, listen here final velocity will be, initial velocity will be 0. So height they're asking, so h, this formula will use. Here height not there. So h is equal to ut minus half gt square. So initial velocity will be 0 minus half into 9.81 into time given. How much time given? This is given 4 seconds. 4 square. So h will come, already we calculated, h is coming 78.48. H is coming 78.48 meter. So listen again, a stone dropped from the height. Stone drop from the height. It strikes the ground after 4 seconds. So here initial velocity will be 0 and v will become maximum. So what is this height? 78.48 meter. What is the second question? Now we'll see the second question. Second question is what they're telling. A bullet is shoot vertically upward. A bullet is shoot vertically upward. This is the direction. With a velocity of, so initial velocity will be 16.5 meter per second. Then find the maximum height they're asking. What they're asking? Find the maximum height. So now look what we'll do here. So velocity, final velocity will be here, will be 0. So which formula we'll use here? S is equal to v square is equal to u square minus 2gh because this is going against the gravity. So final velocity will be 0. U given 16.5 minus 2 into 9.81 They are asking height. So h will be maximum here. So h maximum if you will calculate, it will get h maximum if you will calculate, it will get 13.85 meter. 13.85 meter. Now, what they are asking, time taken to reach the maximum height. So time taken to reach the maximum height, already before we got this derivations, v is equal to u minus gt. So final velocity 0. So u minus gt. So time is equal to u by g. So what is u here? 16.5 by 9.81. So if you will divide, you will get the 1.68 second. 1.68 second. So that means how the problem looks very simple. If you know the concept, where will the final velocity 0, when will the initial velocity 0, how will the maximum height, how much time take to reach the maximum height. So we can solve like these questions. Okay, students, this formula and derivations, so just you keep the memory, then you can solve like this. Whatever questions will be there, you can solve. Okay, students, thank you.